Facing error code 802441010 in Windows Update. Here are 5 solutions to get it fixed quickly. To do that via the control panel, press the Windows key plus R hotkey. Input Control Panel in the open text box and click the OK button. Select the All Control Panel Items option shown below. Click Troubleshooting to open the applet directly below. Click View All, and then select Windows Update. Click Advanced to select and apply All Repairs Automatically option. Press the next button. Select the Apply This Fix option. Press the Windows key plus S hotkey. Enter CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt to select Run as Administrator. Enter this command first, dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Press the Return key after entering, then enter sfc/scano in the command prompt and press the Return key. Wait for the SFC scan to finish. Restart Windows if the scan repairs files. To do that, open the command prompt as an administrator. Then input the separate commands below: netstop wowserve, netstop cryptsvc, netstop bits, netstop msi server. Enter the command renc windows software distribution.old and press the return button. Then input renc Windows System 32 Katroot 2 Katroot 2 old in the prompt and press the Enter key. Input these commands separately to restart their services. Open the Run accessory. Input gpedit.msc in the Open box and click OK to open Group Policy Editor. Then click Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and Windows Updates on the left of Group Policy Editor. Double-click the Automatic Update Detection Frequency policy on the right of the window. Select the Enabled option. Then enter a value less than the default 22 in the interval text box. Click the Apply option. Click OK to close the window. You can reset Windows 11 by entering Reset in the search box. Click Reset this PC to open the Settings window as shown directly below. Click Get Started to open the Reset this PC window. Select the Keep My Files option, press the Next and Reset buttons. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.